now we're here in Magic Kingdom about to go to our fireworks dessert party. The dessert party starts at 7:30 and it ends right before fireworks, and you get to eat amazing sweets and treats, and they also, I believe, have alcoholic beverages and of course soft drink, and they usher you to the middle of the beautiful hubgrass to enjoy Happily Ever After. We haven't seen Happily Ever After in years, and we haven't done a dessert party as well in years, so I'm super excited to have this opportunity to finally do it. Lots of clouds, there's some thunder, so I hope nothing is gonna happen with the fireworks. But this dessert party is $99 for adult and $59 for children ages 9 and under. I think it's worth it, but hey, I haven't been here in many years, so let's find out. I'll show you everything it has to offer and then we can discuss. I am so excited to finally see Happily Ever After. It's been so many years and I cry every single time I watch this fireworks show, so I am sure today won't be any different. But anyways, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go get my other kid and we're gonna make our way to the dessert party. Alright, so we just made it to the hub. So this is our area. And it's quite roomy for now, but I'm sure it's gonna get much more busier. So you are allowed to bring strollers here. They just tell you to park the strollers at the back. I'm ready to cry. Love is an open door. Okay, well, I had a good cry. I mean, I'm red from burning and I'm red from my tears. It was amazing. Was it worth it? I think absolutely. Not so much for the desserts, but so much for this space and this view. 1010% worth it. I don't think it's something that you should splurge on every single trip, but we waited probably like 4 years because we're already in the you know what 3 years, and we probably did it a year before that. So it was so worth it. Like, my tears just came down like on a cue. And there was a mom next to me, such a lovely family from the UK, and she heard me say, like, I'm gonna cry as soon as that song goes on. And she was like, same. So she was crying, I was standing here, and just tears were going down my cheeks. Oh my God, it was amazing. It's such a beautiful fireworks show, and I mean, there's hundreds and thousands of people. Like, you could probably see them exiting. You know, you could watch fireworks from anywhere, but is it worth it to spend extra and do the fireworks dessert party? Absolutely. My kids had space, I had space. As you saw when I was trying to record a little bit of the fireworks, there was so much space around us. Like, if you have little kids or kids who need to move around, wiggle, dance, or even if you have a stroller and you want your kid to comfortably sit in a stroller, yeah, my kid is right here in the stroller. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, I'm like a hot mess express. We're gonna wait it out a little bit more and we're gonna head out. So let me know down in the comments below, have you done the fireworks dessert party? What do you think about it? And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you real soon. Bye! How big the area is. This is all of this area. I mean, obviously you could sit anywhere your heart desires. You could sit all the way in the front, right over here, but also know that the people in front of you behind the fence will stand up. So we prefer to be right over here.
Because we had a lot of space.
Yeah.
This little area we had space.
Yeah, all of this. There was so much room here.
Because a lot of people
went up
to the front.
Yeah, went up to the front.
And then
it's like a magnet.
This area right here was all empty.
Yeah.
So I would say if you have a stroller or whatever, get a corner.
Yeah, over here. Perfect.
Yeah. And so you have a railing to sit on.
Yes, you have a railing to sit.
It's the most uncomfortable, but the Disney people
listen. It's like prime location.
Exactly. It's like first
prime real estate.
Yeah, exactly.